my name's Lawrence Rowe. I'm Head of Department for Motor Vehicle and Engineering. The courses we offer here start at entry level, which focus on not only motor vehicle, but they also focus on maths and English, getting your grades up, and also life skills such as CV writing, which will help you obtain work. So once you've completed your full-time course, you can then progress into an apprenticeship. A lot of the work you've done on your full-time course will count towards your apprenticeship. If you come straight in on an apprenticeship, as I say, on auto care, light vehicle or heavy vehicle, the disciplines you learn can be taken into other arenas. The electronic side we teach you can be taken to marine, it can be taken to bus, coach, even the robotics in a factory all run on the same technology. So you're not limited to just vehicles once you finish your apprenticeship. And then if you do manage to obtain an apprenticeship, we now cover the new standards, so apprenticeships are changing. A lot of the work is done at your workplace, and a college assessor or coach will come out and visit you on a regular basis to make sure you're progressing. You will attend college once a week. The disciplines we have apprenticeships in at the moment are auto care, which is equivalent to quick fit, exhaust, suspension and braking. We do a light vehicle, which is over 3 years, which covers everything from general hand skills right the way through to complex diagnostics. And then we also deliver a heavy vehicle, which is 44 tonne down to 7.5 tonne. Again, all hand skills and complex diagnostics are included in that 3-year programme. So coupled along with the normal automotive technology that you'll be covering in the course, much of the emphasis will be placed on electronics and electrics of vehicles, as this is where the future is going. We do have a hybrid vehicle here that we will actually instruct you on how to shut down safely so you can work on it. And 2 or 3 of the units that will be delivered to you will cover the electronics and electrics of motor vehicles.
Hi everybody, my name is Kevin Mccook. I'm the Director of Langley College. As part of that role, I cover construction, engineering, motor vehicle, hair and beauty, sport, health and social care and public services. Today I'm going to talk about engineering and what we offer within the engineering areas. At level 1 and 2 you specialise in general engineering, and by the time you reach level 3 you can do options of mechanical, electronic, and also there's a combination that also has a motor vehicle element as well. So at level 3 it's at that point you split off effectively and then choose your mechanical, which tends to be, very machine led, and then you've got electronics, so that's very obviously electronic and electrical led, and then you've also got a motor vehicle element, so that's clearly around engines and vehicles. In addition to those areas, we also run apprenticeships. So if you're an apprentice engineer, you could be an electronic engineer, or you could be a mechanical engineer, or you could be a motor vehicle engineer. That enables you to specialise in those industries. So let me give you an example. So if you were going to be an electronic engineer, an industry that you could work in is the mobile phone industry. So you would be, supporting the manufacture of mobile phones and understanding how they work and the technologies behind that. Whereas if you were a mechanical engineer, you might be designing the bridges that oversee our roads. So, that's also supported in the same term as a structural engineer, but of course that's a construction engineer, whereas you're an engineering type engineer, for want of better words. The other areas you could obviously specialise in is in motor vehicle as an engineer, so at level 3, and then you can progress to level 4 and 5. Across all of those areas you can then specialise in the design of cars. So as you can appreciate, if you're a motor vehicle engineer, you would be designing, for example, the next new Aston Martin coming. So you get the options at the end of that level 3 course, either A, to go into employment. You could be doing employment at the same time, of course. B, you could continue on to university, so you could specialise in engineering at university. And of course the other option is you could go into work and progress in a workplace. Employability skills you would get whilst you're attending Langley College. So the key thing, and this is the first ingredient you must have, is timekeeping and being present. We can't help you or help you learn, or you won't be very successful at work if you can't be there. So it's about attendance and punctuality. Without that, you are really going to struggle. In addition to that though, once you've understood that, we can then train and help you. But the thing is that the skills you will learn whilst at Langley College will put you in a really good place by the time you go to the workplace. So you will arrive, you won't be there saying, I don't know what to do, because we'll have enabled you so that you understand the health and safety, you'll understand attendance and punctuality, you'll also understand using your initiative, you'll also understand how you can help and assist people at work, and also how you can develop as an individual. So the courses aren't just I learned to do A and B, you get all of those other skills attached around it. So effectively it makes you a more all-rounded engineer, whether it's in mechanical, electrical or motor vehicle. The key thing is that you've not only understood that learning, but it makes you ready to work.